you have a hard time at home, concentrating on work, in school, wherever you are, go to the nature and feel the energy. The energy is here. When you're here, you relax, you come home, your battery is recharged, alright?
Mother Nature is beautiful. Can I ask you one question? What's the most important thing in your life?
Traveling.
Traveling.
Yeah.
To be free to travel.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Where from?
England.
England. Nice to meet you. Strong boy, huh?
The best playground in the world is the nature. Now take a look at it.
Love in the nature, right? All love in the nature. Oh. Can you say one love? Okay. One love. Okay. One love, man.
Family working together as a team. Beautiful. Working together. Beautiful. One love. Good. Very strong. A proud father. Being playing with the kids. Being training with the kids. Being in the nature with the kids is just beautiful. Just beautiful. No excuse to be in the nature. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. The nature have everything we need. We can play. We can work out. We can cook. We can sleep. We can fuck. We can do everything in the nature. Everything we can do in the nature. Everything. If you have a hard time at home, concentrating on work, in school, wherever you are, go to the nature and feel the energy. The energy is here. When you're here, you relax, you come home, your battery is recharged, alright?
Now when I just did a favor for you,
Yes.
can you answer one question for me? What's the most important thing in your life?
Freedom.
Freedom.
I can play for hours when I'm here in the nature. And the energy from people and the nature just make a double impact. But back to the nature! I'm here in the jungle working out a video. Small videos every day to the people I care about and to the young kids. I want to show people there is a world outside your door. If you're not satisfied with the world you have at home, go change it. If I can change and some of you can change, everybody can change. And that's how it is. We go grab life because life is ours. No one tells us how we want to live our life. No one. But back to the nature. I'm gonna need your support. I know you will be there for me because I've always been there for you guys. So, if some of you know how to make a YouTube channel, please contact me when I'm back in Denmark next month. Because I'm gonna need some help to finish the project that I've been trying to do for the last 7 months. Fighting with the police, fighting with mafia, fighting with the government, and been loving everywhere I go in the small villages around the world here in Asia. All the video that I made it with my phone in my tent because I believe love is the strongest power to move forward and knowledge is the strongest power at all. It's just been beautiful to be playing around with the kids, people, and the nature, and just listen. All the insects and birds, it has been beautiful. I've been playing so much, now I need food. Without food, I'm nothing. Just beautiful. Have a nice day. Leo. Time for food. Without food, we nothing. Food. And then some egg.
ถ่ายวิดีโอ
ลูกเอาปลามาใส่สิ
Buy me.
ขอแกะวิดีโอแกะเพื่อนถ่ายวิดีโอ
ใส่ไข่ไปเยอะ
ไข่โฟไข่
โอ้โฟก่อน
โฟไข่
โฟไข่
โว้ไข่
ไข่สี่แกนสี่ลูก
สี่ลูก
ใบสี่ใบ
สี่ใบ
ๆ5 ใบ
Good. Be strong to smile big, you know.
แล้วกินกี่คน
คนเดียว
คนเดียว
คนเดียว โอ้โหไข่ซี่แกน
คนเดียว
โว้
คนเดียว and คนเดียว
โอเคเนาะ
คนเดียว sticky rice
แล้วต้องมันมะม่วง
sticky rice mango มะม่วง
มะม่วงพอเต่าแก้นเป็นเนี่ยเปิงใจเหรอ
this one
ข้าวต้ม
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 ข้าวต้มอร่อยมาก
อร่อย
มากมาก
มาก
ตามสบาย
สบายสบาย
แล้วกลับไหน
กลับไหน
เรียกบ้านอ่ะ บ้านอยู่ไหน
what's that ฮะ
stay in Thailand
Sky Thailand 7 months
7 months
jungle stay
where you stay at
Huh?
this night
jungle stay in jungle with monkey and snake
พักไหน
ขอบคุณครับสวัสดีครับ
ครับ
สวัสดีครับนี่นะ
เจ็บนะเจ็บที่บ้านแล้วเจ็บกลับบ้าน
I'm alone, but I'm not alone. That's the amazing thing with energy. my friends on Snapchat that know me as Back to the Nature. Support me because I need your support. I've been there for you and you know it. It's all about being there for each other. And now I'm reaching out for a hand to make a YouTube channel so people can see how beautiful Mother Nature is. Beautiful! Back to the Nature! Ahoo!